What is going on, everybody? This is Jack with the Trading Tribe, and today I wanted to have a quick discussion on how I try and profit on a day-to-day basis trading the natural gas future and how it is extremely possible to make hundreds of dollars a day using my trend trading practices and techniques. And I wanted to show you on today, for example, how I did that in a short amount of time by just being patient and playing with the trend. If you could, please like and subscribe this video so I can continue making more videos on a daily and weekly basis, digging into some more techniques on how to profit in the markets. So to dive in today, like I said, this will review a trade I took on the natural gas future. And typically, what I do on a daily basis is try and spot direction first. So, in this case today, I could see that it was holding this 3.84 level for most of the morning and then started making big sell offs with big volume confirmations of big sellers in the market. Anytime there are big volume spikes at certain direction changes or certain trend spots, you do want to be careful of that because that means basically that big money is betting on that direction in that time frame or minute that you're looking at. So in this case, right, we saw a big sell-off from that 3.84 level all the way down to that 3.8 level. And we'll talk about futures more in the future on this channel, but that is a $400 move per contract. So you can already see how lucrative that is. That was, however, pretty early in the morning, so most of us are not there trading that. You will see from about 2 in the morning all the way up to 6 in the morning, it did make a recovery back up to that 3.85-ish level and began a second sell-off. So this kind of confirms a downtrend or a shorting day, at least in the way I trade and the trend spotters that I use on a daily basis. So from there, once I have a confirmed downtrend as the bias for the day, I try and spot the key levels on the chart. And with this big volume confirmation and trend change in the early morning, that was the level that I liked for the day because that did act as a support multiple times. And then on the second sell off, it did struggle at that support level and eventually break through. And whenever I am trading with the trend, I do love breakout retests or breakdown retests. In this case, it broke down from that level. And typically, most of the biases flip at that support level once that support level is broken. So in this case, it broke that old low and sure enough came back up to retest it and confirmed that this is the new high and got rejected immediately. I then took the trade on the second test to that key level and I got in on a short position here and I set my target based on where it went on the last dip. So I entered in my target here, set my take profit here, and then my stop loss was at that 1% to manage risk. So in this case, if we have a tick tracker, we can spot my entry at that key level. And in Thinkorswim, at least, you can use a drawing tool to spot the tick movement. In this case, this was a 55 tick move, so I could have made up to $550. Natural gas trades $10 per tick. So that second value from the bottom in the rectangle shows that this move ended up being 55 ticks from level to level. I obviously did not catch that entire move. I sold a little bit early or exited a little bit early in this case because it was a short position. But really quickly, you can see how on a daily basis, just tracking support and demand levels in the chart and going with direction, in this case, about 20 minutes, I was able to extract $500 from the market. Thanks everybody so much. I will be doing more daily trade recaps on my entries and exits and strategies in the future. So please like and subscribe this video. Thank you so much, and we will see you next time.